Imagine a world where artificial intelligence is no longer exclusive. A world where powerful AI doesn't just belong to big corporations. This future is closer than you think. For years, AI was incredibly powerful but also incredibly expensive. Training large models and running AI systems required specialized chips, available only to those with deep pockets. If you wanted serious AI, it came with a hefty price tag. But this reality is shifting. AI chips are becoming cheaper, and this change is revolutionary. It doesn't just affect hardware companies. It transforms who can build, deploy, and control AI. To grasp why this matters, we must understand hardware clusters. AI doesn't operate on a single chip. It runs on thousands of chips working together in coordinated systems called clusters. These clusters are essential. They determine how fast AI models train and how cost-efficient they are. Historically, these clusters came at an astronomical cost. A single high-end AI chip could set you back tens of thousands of dollars. Only big tech or governments could afford to build competitive clusters. Everyone else was left out. But cracks are forming in this expensive reality. The past year has seen supply chains stabilize and competition increase. New architectures are emerging. Hardware clusters are now designed not just for performance but for efficiency, scalability, and cost predictability. Chipmakers are asking new questions. What if we stopped chasing the most powerful chip? What if we focused on the right chip at the right price, in large quantities? This is where real change begins. New AI chips are being optimized not just for speed but for power efficiency and cost per inference. Diversity in chip technology is increasing. Not only GPUs but specialized chips are now being developed for specific tasks. This variety is driving prices down. When AI chips become more affordable, the entire landscape of artificial intelligence shifts. Suddenly, you don't need a billion-dollar budget. Startups can develop AI. Mid-sized companies can run their own models. Local data centers can deploy AI without relying on massive cloud providers. This makes hardware clusters a critical focus. Instead of a few massive clusters under big tech's control, we're witnessing the rise of many smaller, efficient clusters across various sectors. We have clusters for healthcare, finance, manufacturing, and national AI strategies. Cheaper chips fuel this change. But there's more. As hardware costs drop, software optimization is taking the spotlight. AI models will need to be tailored to specific cluster architectures, making efficiency crucial. This shift alters how AI is built and who gains the advantage. Companies that master hardware-software co-design will thrive. Regions controlling their own clusters will gain leverage, weakening dependency on single vendors or countries. However, this transition brings challenges. Lower prices create pressure on market leaders. Profit margins shrink, and differentiating products becomes tougher. The focus shifts from the fastest chip to the most efficient ecosystem. Thus, hardware clusters matter more than individual chips. The future of AI relies on how thousands of processors collaborate efficiently and at scale. And this future is arriving sooner than anticipated. In the coming years, the accessibility of cheaper AI chips will lead to widespread adoption. AI will embed in everyday devices and regional infrastructures. What once required massive investment will soon become standard. Once this transition occurs, there's no turning back. AI evolves from a privilege to infrastructure. Companies that recognize this change early will adapt quickly and scale effectively. Those that don't will struggle to keep up, regardless of prior dominance. AI chips are on the verge of becoming more affordable. When hardware clusters become accessible, AI will decentralize. It will spread, fundamentally altering the landscape of artificial intelligence. Be a part of this transformation. Embrace the future of AI before it passes you by.